Looking for the best benchtop joiner to level up your woodworking game? Today we're ranking 5 popular models from worst to best, so stick around and find out which one truly stands out. Let's kick things off with the joiner that ranks at the bottom of our list, the CRAFTSMAN. Now, CRAFTSMAN is a familiar name, but this particular model just doesn't deliver where it counts. If you're a hobbyist working on small weekend projects, it might seem like a tempting option, but when stacked up against other machines, it struggles to hold its own. It's got a 6.3-inch cutting width and a 10-amp motor, which is decent on paper. You can adjust the speed depending on the wood you're working with, and it includes dust collection, always a plus. It's also compact and lightweight, making it easy to move around or tuck into a small workshop. But here's the catch. It uses basic straight knives, which wear out quickly and don't deliver the smoothest cuts. The short table and lighter build make it tricky to handle longer boards, and users often report issues with reliability and durability. That's a big deal if you're planning to use this joiner regularly. Overall, this model might work if you're just getting started or only need it occasionally. But if you're looking for consistent performance and clean finishes, you'll want to aim higher. Links to all the jointers in this video at the best available prices are right down below in the description. Next up is the jointer from WOODSTARTER. It's a small step up from the CRAFTSMAN, and while it's not exactly a powerhouse, it does bring a few solid features to the table, especially for the price. Lightweight, compact, and fairly powerful, this one's aimed squarely at beginners or casual DIYers. You've got a strong 15-amp motor, and it runs quiet, which is nice if you're working in a shared space. The fence is adjustable and flexible enough to handle bevel cuts, and overall, it's straightforward and easy to use right out of the box. That said, it still uses straight high-speed steel blades. These dull pretty quickly compared to carbide, and you'll be sharpening or replacing them more often. It also lacks some of the precision and durability you'd get from more premium models, especially if you're working on fine joinery. If you're just getting into woodworking and want something affordable to start practicing with, the WOODSTARTER could be a great fit. It's simple, compact, and does the job for basic tasks. If you're enjoying this breakdown so far, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. We've got plenty more gear reviews on the way. Coming in at number 3, we've got a solid performer from Jet. The Jet jointer stands out with its helical cutter head, a step up from basic straight knives, and it's built to last. This one is for folks who are ready to invest a bit more for smoother finishes and better long-term reliability. What makes this model special is the 14 carbide inserts arranged in a helical pattern. This setup gives you cleaner cuts, less tear out, and way less blade maintenance. Add in the cast iron build, internal dust blower, and dual tilt fence with preset stops, and you've got a machine that's truly workshop worthy. However, it's not perfect. Some users have noticed minor inconsistencies when jointing near the ends of boards, and while the cutter head is great, the depth adjustment scale can be a bit finicky to dial in precisely. Plus, it only comes with one push pad instead of 2, which feels like a small oversight at this price point. Still, if you're after professional results and want something that'll handle tough hardwoods without skipping a beat, this jointer is definitely worth considering, especially if you value smoother operation and lower noise from that helical head. In the runner-up spot, we've got the Cutech. This machine strikes an impressive balance between performance and price. It comes equipped with a spiral cutter head using 16 two-sided carbide inserts, which delivers great results on all kinds of wood, especially if you care about that smooth, tear-out-free finish. The tables are cast iron and extendable, giving you extra support for longer boards, something that's not always a given at this price point. The motor is quiet yet capable, and the dual dust ports let you hook it up to any standard collection system. And with its extended fence and sturdy support brackets, it's clearly designed with serious work in mind. A couple of things to note: the fence is aluminum, not cast iron, though you can get an upgrade if you want more stability. Also, like many benchtop tools, setup takes a little patience. You'll want to take your time getting everything aligned for the best results. If you've outgrown entry-level gear and want a reliable, well-built jointer that won't break the bank, the Cutech is a solid choice. It performs like a much more expensive unit, and you'll feel the difference in your finished pieces. And finally, our top pick, the Wahuda. This jointer simply does it all and does it better than the competition. With a full 10-inch cutting width and a spiral cutter head loaded with carbide inserts, this machine is built for serious work and long-term use. The wide bed gives you room to flatten larger boards that most benchtop models can't handle. Its cast iron tables add rock-solid stability, while the pull-out extensions help with longer workpieces. Combine that with a powerful motor, smooth performance, and excellent dust collection, and you're looking at a jointer that punches way above its class. Of course, it's not totally plug and play. The setup process can take a bit of time, and the fence might need some tuning to get perfectly square. But once it's dialed in, this jointer is incredibly reliable and consistent, even under heavy workloads. If you're ready to invest in a serious benchtop jointer that delivers professional level results at home, the Wahuda is hands down the one to beat. It's the best blend of size, precision, power, and quality we've seen in this category. If any of these jointers caught your eye, don't forget you can find the best prices for all of them in the description down below. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments which jointer you're thinking about picking up.